Imagine a world where every scent is amplified. Your morning coffee aroma is overpowering, or the smell of your favorite meal is suddenly off-putting. Welcome to the reality of many women during pregnancy and after giving birth. Hormonal changes, particularly in estrogen and progesterone, can significantly impact a woman's olfactory system, resulting in a heightened sensitivity to odors. This heightened sense of smell isn't just about discomfort or aversions. It's nature's way of protecting both mother and child. An enhanced ability to detect potentially harmful substances, spoiled food, or chemicals serves as a protective shield. But it's not all about avoidance. After childbirth, this sensitivity plays a pivotal role in the bonding process. The unique scent of the newborn, even the aroma of breast milk, can trigger nurturing behaviors and strengthen the mother-child bond. So this journey of amplified scents, from the sweet to the sour, is a complex interaction of hormonal, physiological, and psychological factors, all designed to safeguard and nurture life. It's a testament to the remarkable adaptability of the female body and the profound instinct of motherhood.